wait to see what you'll build today. That's the way. Just slice or tap it to open. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... Left leads to... McCall's farm. McCall's farm is coming up. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back in. Excellent! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! That's perfect! Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Excellent! We all love your train set. Where to now? Forward leads to... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. That's the way. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Well done! Excellent! Again! Again! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Well done! We all love your train set. Where to now? Left leads to... Great! Just slice or tap it to open.